Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to block microphone access on Chrome. But the first thing you do is open up your Chrome browser, which we have done here. The next thing, at the right corner over here, in the top right corner, we have three dots here. Click on it, which allows you to customize and control the Chrome settings. And to open up these options here, so we click on settings. And then this opens up more options. What we need is privacy and security, so click on privacy and security. And then we have more options under privacy and security, but what we actually need is the last option, which is site settings. So click on site settings. And then we have permissions. Under permissions, we have location, camera, microphone, notification, embedded content. What you need is microphone. So click on microphone. And now you can see it is on for sites to actually use your microphone. We want to block this by clicking on the second option, which means we will not allow sites to use our microphone. But that also means that features that need a microphone won't work. But if you insist on this, you will on like this. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to block microphone access on Chrome. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.